So now this is long answer type question. So our question 1 is find whether the following equations have real roots, and if real root exists, find them. So first of all, we should know that in a quadratic equation, if the quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Now the discriminant is given as b square minus 4ac. And that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. And if discriminant is greater than 0, then we say that they have distinct real roots. To check, the discriminant should be greater than 0. And then it helps the roots are, that means the roots are real. Okay, now starting question number 1, the first part. The first part is 8x square plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So writing it over here, 8x square plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now comparing it with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we get ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we get a equals 8, b is 2 and c is minus 3. C will be minus 3. Now finding the discriminant. Now the discriminant will be, we know that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So b square, we know this will be 2 square, this will be 2 square minus 4, a is 8, and c is minus 3. So this will be 4. And you know minus sign actually will become positive. So 4 8s are 32. 32 into 3 is 96. This will be 4 plus 96, which is actually equals to 100. And this thing is greater than 0. Hence they have real roots. So this is greater than 0. D is greater than 0. That means what I mean is that discriminant is greater than 0. And then they have, this equation has real roots. Now to find them, now applying the quadratic formula only. So applying the quadratic formula here, x equals minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac, which is d only. So writing root d by 2a. Now we know that what is d? D is actually 100. And substituting the values, minus b will be minus 2 plus minus root of 100 upon 2 into a is, this will be 16. This will be a is 8 actually, the 2 into 8, that becomes 16. So this is minus 2 plus minus, this is actually 10, and root of 100 is 10 upon 16. So our one of the root is this will be minus 2 minus 10 by 16, which is minus 12 by 16. Simplifying it, I think with 4, this will be minus 3 by 4, cancelling them with 4. So one of the root is minus 3 by 4. For the other root, minus 2 plus 10 by 16, so which is 8 by 16. This is 8 by 16. Solving it, this will be 1 by 2. Hence the two roots are minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now, on to the second part. Now, second part is minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So, this is our second part. Now, solving it over here. So, first of all, write the second part, which is minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Now again on comparing with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equals minus 2, b is 3 and c will be 2. Now finding the discriminant. So d is To find the discriminant, d equals b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So b is actually 3 square. 3 square minus 4 into a is minus 2, c is 2. This c is 2. So this has become 9. 9, and this is plus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 9 plus 16, which is equals 25. So hence our this is equals 25. So hence our discriminant is greater than 0. Hence it has real roots. Now we have to find those two distinct real roots. Now let's write the quadratic equation. X equals to minus b plus minus under root of d, actually b square minus 4ac. So I am writing over d only over here upon 2a. Now substituting the values, b is 3, so we write minus 3 plus minus under root of 25. So d is root of 25 upon 2 into a is minus 2. So we write minus 2 over here, so this will be minus 3 plus minus root 25 is 5, so plus minus 5 upon minus 4. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Yeah, we write so we write minus 3 plus 5 by minus 4, that equals 2 by minus 4. So this is equals 2 by minus 4. So this should be equals minus 1 by 2. Now the other root is minus 3 minus 5 by minus 4. So that is minus 8 by minus 4, which is equals 2. So hence other root is 2. Now moving on to the third part. The third part is 5x square minus 2x minus 10 equals 0. So writing the third part over here. So this is question, not question 3, this is the third part. So 5x square minus 2x minus 10 equals 0. Minus 10 equal to 0. Now comparing it with the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get bx plus c equals 0. We get a equals 5, b equals minus 2, and c equals minus 10. Now finding the discriminant d, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. So this will be minus 2 whole square minus 4, a is 5, c is minus 10. So this is equals 4. Minus minus will become plus, 4 5 are 20, and this will be 200. So our discriminant is 204. So this is 200. So our discriminant is 204, which is greater than 0. Hence it has real and distinct roots, so which we have to find it out by using the quadratic equation. Now, of course, applying quadratic equation formula, x equal to minus b plus minus under root of d discriminant upon 2a, d which is actually b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now what is b? My b is minus 2, so this will be plus 2 plus minus under root of 204. Discriminant is 204, so under root of 204 by 2 into 5, a is 5, which is 10. 2 into 5, I am writing 10 over here. Now how you can write under root 204? So let's solve this first. See, 204, we start factorizing it. 2, so that will be 204 divided by 2. So that will be 102. Again divided by 2. I think that will be 51. Yeah, that's 51. So we have just one pairing of 2. So what we do, we write 2 into root 51. So under root 204 is 2 root 51. So I'm writing it over here. Is equals to 2 plus minus 2 root 51 now upon 10. So now, what is the first root? Now, calculating the first root. So that will be 2 plus 2 root 51 by 10, taking 2 common. So this will be 1 plus root 51 by 10. So cancelling it by 2, so this goes 5 times. So one of the root is 1 plus root 51 by 5. Other is 2 minus 2 root 51 by 10, not taking 2 common. So this is 1 minus root 51 by 10, cancelling it with 2, so this goes 5 times. So other root is 1 minus root 51 by 5. Hence these are the two roots. 1 plus root 51 by 5, 1 minus root 51 by 5. Now coming on to the fourth part. Now the fourth part is 1 upon 2x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 5 equals 1, where x is not equals 3 by 2, 5. Now see, now writing the fourth part over here. So the fourth part is 1 upon 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 5 equals 1, where x is not 3 by 2 and x is not equal to 5. Now taking the LCM, this will be 2x minus 3 and this will be x minus 5. Now this will be x minus 5 plus, and that will be 2x minus 3. That will interchange basically, so which is equals to 1. Now solving this. So first of all, opening the bracket, so that will be more clear. So x minus 5 plus 2x minus 3, and now multiplying this. So see, this will be 2x into x, which is 2x square, and 2x into minus 5, which is minus 10x, and minus 3 into x, minus 3 into x, which is minus 3x. Sorry, minus 3x. Actually, minus 3 into x, this should be minus 3x. Sorry for this. This is actually minus 3x. 3x. It's lagging actually. Wait for a second, it's lagging. Yeah, so this is minus 3x. Now minus 3 into minus 5 is plus 15, that's equals to 1. Now see, x plus 2x will be 3x. So this is 3x minus 8. 3x minus 8 upon this is 2x square. This will be 2x square minus 16x plus 15. This will be upon solving this equation. This will be 2x square minus 16x. Sorry, minus 15x. Sorry. I'm very sorry for this. Minus 10x minus 3x is minus 13x. Now cross multiply. Okay, so there is 3x minus 10. So this thing whole multiplied by 1 will remain the same. 3x minus 8. Sorry for this again. 3x minus 8. So this is equal to 2x square minus 13x. 2x square minus 13x plus 15. Now taking 3x minus 8 towards the right hand side. So this is 2x square. Now minus, this is 3x. So this will become minus 3x. So minus 13x minus 3x is minus 16x. Similarly, minus 8 will become plus 8. 15 plus 8, that is 23. Plus 23 equals 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this. So comparing it with the standard equation again, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So over here a is 2, b is minus 16 and c is 23. Now apply, now find the discriminant first, which is b square minus 4ac. So this is minus 16 whole square minus 4 into 2, c is 23. So this is actually minus 16 whole square is 256. That equals 256 and minus 256. And this is actually minus. Now 4 into 2 into 23. That's 184. So 256 minus 184. That equals 72. So d is 72 greater than 0, hence it has two real roots. Now solving it by using the quadratic equation. So applying the quadratic formula over here, where x equals to minus b plus minus under root of d upon 2a. So we know that b is minus 16. So this will be plus 16 plus minus under root d, which is actually 72 over here. So you can see this is 72. So we are writing over here 72. So this will be 72 upon 2 into a. We know that a is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So this will be 16. Now see root 72. We can write root 72. Factorizing it 2, we get 36. 2. This is 36. Again with 2. This will be 18. Now we can do this with 9. Sorry, with 2 only, 9. Now then 3. 3 times 3. So there are two pairs. One is pair of 2, one is pair of 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. And this remaining 2 will be in under root. So plus minus 6 root 2. This is 6 root 2 by 4. Now writing the root separately. So this will be 16. This will be 16 plus 6 root 2 by 4. We can take 2 common from here. So this will be 8 plus 3 root 2 by 4. So this will cancel. This will be 2. So this will be 8 plus 3 root 2 by 2 whole upon 2. Now for the second root, this will be 16 minus 6 root 2 by 2. Again taking 2 common. So this will be 8 minus 3 root 2 by 4. We can cancel it. This goes by 2 times. So this will be 8. Next root is 8 minus 3 root 2 by 2. Oh, sorry for this. This is actually 8 plus 3 root 2 by 2. So by mistake, I have written that. So these are our two roots for this equation. Now coming on to our final part, which is the fifth part. So here is the fifth part. Fifth part is x square plus 5 root 5x minus 70 equals 0. Minus 70 equals 0. Oh, sorry for this. Now writing the fifth part over here. So the fifth part is x square plus 5 root 5x minus 70. X square plus 5 root 5x minus 70 equals 0. Now again on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, bx plus c equals 0, we get a equals 1, b equals 5 root 5, so b will equals v 5 root 5, and c equals minus 70. Now finding the discriminant first, d equals b square minus 4ac, d equals b square minus 4ac. Now 5 root 5 square, 5 root 5 whole square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 70. So see, 5 root 5 will be 5 square will be 25. Root 5 square is 5. 25 into 5 is 125. 125. Now minus that becomes plus. 4 into 70 is 280. So that will give you 405. 125 plus 280 is 405. Yes, that's 405. Just a second, it's lagging. Yeah, 405. That is greater than 0. Hence, this has real roots, real and distinct roots. So, Applying the quadratic equation, x equals minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac, that is d only, upon 2a. So b is 5 root 5 minus b is minus 5 root 5 plus minus under root of 405 upon 2. A is 1, so that will be 2 only. A is actually 1, so I am writing 2 only. Yeah. Now 405 under root. How we can write this? Okay. Let's start with 5. Yeah. So 405 divided by 5. That's 81. Now this goes 3 times. So this will be 27. 81. This will be 27. This again goes 3 times. This will be 9. We know 9 is 3 into 3. So see, there are 2 pairs that we are getting of 3. So we write 3 into 3, 9. And 5, which is not the pair, we write under root 5. So 9 root 5. So 5 root 5 plus minus 9 root 5 by 2. So these are the 2 roots. Now writing the roots separately. So this will be minus 5. 1 will be minus 5 root 5 plus 9 root 5 upon 2. Now we can just simply add them. Minus 5 plus 9 will be 4 root 5. Because both are root 5, they are like terms. 4 root 5 by 2. You can cancel it. So this is 2 root 5. So one of the root is 2 root 5. And for the other root, this will be minus 5 root 5. This will be minus 5 root 5 minus 9 root 5 by 2. You can simply minus them. Minus 5 minus 9 is minus 14 root 5 by 2, which is minus 7 root 5 minus 7 root 5. So these are our 2 roots, 2 root 5 and minus 7 root 5. Now coming on to our question number 2. Yeah. So this is question number 2. Question number 2 is, find a natural number whose square diminished by 84 is equals to thrice of 8 more than the given number. Okay. So what we can do is over here is that, so let the natural number be x. So we are taking x the natural number. So let x be the natural number. Now our first condition is whose square is diminished by 84. So what we will do, we will do x square. This will be x square minus 84. Minus 84. Okay. Now this is equals to thrice of 8 more than the given number. 8 more than the given number is x plus 8 and then thrice of it. This will be 3 times. Now we have to solve this equation. Basically this will be a quadratic equation. So writing this as x square minus 84 equals, this is 3x plus this will be 8 into 3, 24. Now taking all terms to the left hand side, x square minus 3x, this will be minus 84 and minus 24 only, equals 0. Now minus 84 minus 24 is 108, minus 108. So you do x square minus 3x minus 108, minus 84 minus 24 is minus 108. So this will be minus 108 equals 0. Now see, we can solve this by middle term splitting. So see, we have to solve 108, at least factorizing it. This is 2, this goes 54, again 2, 27, and then again 3, this goes by 3, 9. So we have two numbers, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 and 12, 12 and 9. So we can take minus 12 and plus 9 because the sum is minus 3 and the product is minus 108. So two numbers are minus 12 plus 9. So this is x square. This will be x square minus 12x plus 9x minus 108 equals 0. So from over here you can take x common. This will be x minus 12 From here you can take plus 9 common. This will be x minus 12 equals 0. So x minus 12 equal to 0 or x plus 9 equal to 0. So that means if we take, see, first of all, we can take x minus 12 common actually. So this will be x plus 9 equal to 0. Now, taking separately, x minus 12 equals 0. So this implies x equals 12. So we have one of the number as x equal to 12. And other one is x plus 9 equals 0. This implies x equals minus 9. Now see, we cannot take minus 9. Because see, according to the given question, it was, we have to find a natural number. So, and minus 9, x is a natural number that is given actually in the question. And we cannot take, as you can see, find a natural number. So x minus 9 is not a natural number. So 12 will be our answer. So 12 is the required number. 12 will be the required number. So hence we can write it over here. The required number is 12. Sorry for the spelling. Required number is 12. Now, coming on to our question number 3. So this is question number 3. A natural number when increased by 12 equals 160 times its reciprocal. Find the number. Yeah, so see, what we can take, let x be the natural number. So according to the question, let x, okay, let the natural number be x. I am writing let the natural number be x. According to the given question, when increased by 12, that is x plus 12. There should be x plus 12. That equals 160 times its reciprocal. That means 160 into 1 by x. So this can be written as x plus 12 equals 160 by x. Now what we can do, we are going to multiply throughout by x. So this will be so this will be x square. This will be x square plus 12x equals 160, because 1 by x and x will get cancelled. So this will be x square plus 12x, taking 160 to the right side, minus 160 equal to 0. Now we can do the middle term splitting. Sorry, this is 160 actually. Now we can do the middle term splitting. We see the product of the number should be minus 160, sum is 12. Now doing the prime factorization of 160, which is actually very easy. So we start with 160. 160, this goes by 2. This will be 80. We know that the product should be minus 160, sum should be 12. So this goes by 2. So this is 80. Now this again goes by 2. So this will be 40. Now this again goes by 2. So this will be 20. Now check and see. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So we have two numbers, 20 and 8. So we can take plus 20 and minus 8, because the sum should be plus 12. So this is x square. So this is x square plus 20x minus 8x minus 160 equals 0. Now taking common, this will be x, this will be x plus 20, and this will be minus 8. Again this will be x plus 20 equals 0. We can take x plus 20 common from them, equals 0. You can take x plus 20 and take x plus 20 common. This will be x minus 8 equals 0. Now see, x plus 20 equals 0. Now substituting x plus 20 equals 0. X plus 20 equals 0. This implies x is minus 20. X is minus 20. So one of the answer is minus 20. But you know, we cannot take this, because as in the question it is given a natural number when increased. You can see this is a natural number. So minus 20 is not a natural number. So we are ignoring that. Now write x minus 8 equals 0. X minus 8 equals 0. This implies x equals 8. So 8 is a natural number and this is the required number. So the required number is x equals 8. Now coming on to the question number 4. So here's the question number 4. Question number 4 states that a train traveling at a uniform speed of 360 km would have taken 48 minutes less to travel the same distance if its speed were 5 km per hour more. Find the original speed of the train. So let's start with, see, what is the question? Find the original speed of the train. So let's start with, let the original speed of the train be. So let the original speed of the train be x. Original speed of train equals x km per hour, or we're just writing x. Now see, with the increased speed, now when the speed is increased by 5, so what will the statement? When its speed is increased, so with the increased speed, we write the speed of the train is by 5 km per hour, then the new speed of the train will be x plus 5. Yeah. Now what's the distance? See, distance is the same. Distance is 360 km. Distance is 360. Now we have to find the time taken with these speeds. Now time taken, we know that time is distance by speed. So time taken in these two cases. See, we know that time is distance by speed. So time taken with the original speed, or when the train is traveling with the original speed x, so time taken will be 360 upon x, that is distance by speed. Now when the speed is increased, then what will be the time? So time taken with increased speed that will be 360 upon x plus 5. Now see, if we talk about the time, whose time will be more? See, when the speed is increased, so this time will be actually less. Now how much less? 48 minutes. So see, they have given in minutes, so first of all you have to convert it. So to convert 48 minutes to hour, that will be 48 by 60, simply 48 by 60. So now, and also comparing the speed, we know that the time taken in 360 by x is more. So 360 by x minus 360 upon x plus 5, which is equals to 48 by 60. Now this is 48 minutes. So we have to convert 48 minutes to hour. So 48 by 60. So this is actually, this directly goes by 12 actually. 12 for the 48, 12 by 60, this is really 4 by 5. So 360 by x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is 4 by 5. We know that time taken with the increased speed is less. So that's why 360 by x minus 360 upon x plus 5 equals 4 by 5. Now we have to solve this equation. We can take LCM x of x plus 5. This will be 360 of x plus 5 minus 360 of x equals 4 by 5. Now solving it more, opening the bracket, this will be 360x plus 360 into 5, which is, I think, is 1800. 360 into 5 is 1800 minus 360x, this whole upon x square plus 5x equals 4 by 5. As we can see, 360 and minus 360x will get cancelled, and now cross multiplying. So 1800 into 5, this will be x square plus 5x whole times 4, and this is equals to 1800 into 5, cross multiplication. So now this will be 4x square, this will be 4x square plus 20x equals 1800 into 5, which is, so 1800 into 5, which is actually equals to 9000. So this is 9000 So now you can write 4x square plus 20x minus 9000 equals 0. See, what we can do is that we can take 4 common. So now let's take 4 common. So this will be x square plus this will be 5x minus 9000 by 4 is 2250, 2250. So 2250 equals 0. We can just simply take 4 to that side and that will be 0. So our quadratic equation will be x square. Quadratic equation will be x square plus 5x minus 2250 equals 0. So actually we can do the middle term splitting of this. The product should be minus 2250. So let's start factorizing 2250. Let's start with the smallest value, which is 2. So dividing it with 2, we get 1125 actually. Now we can divide this by 5, which is actually 225. 225, again dividing this by 5, which is equal to 45. Now let's check. See, 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 2 is 50. So we have two numbers, 50 and 45. So we take plus 50 and minus 45 because the sum should be plus 5. So plus 50 minus 45. So yeah, this will be x square plus 50x minus 45x minus 2250 equals 0. Now we can take x common. If we take x common, this will be x plus 50. Now we can take minus 45 common from here. So again this will be x plus 50 because 2250 divided by 45 is 50 only. Now take x plus 50 common. X plus 50 common, so this will be x minus 45 equals 0. Now see, we do x plus 50 equals 0 first. X plus 50 equals 0. This implies x equals to minus 50, which is not possible because speed cannot be negative. So we are not taking this value because the speed of the train cannot be negative. So we are ignoring this value. So this value is to be ignored. Now speed cannot be negative. Okay. Now x minus 45 equals 0. X minus 45 equals 0. This implies x equals 45. So 45 km per hour is the required speed, or the original speed of the train is 45 km per hour, which is our answer. So the original speed of the train is 45 km per hour. That's our answer. Coming on to question 5. Now the question 5 says that if Zeba was younger by 5 years than what she really is, then the square of her age in years would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. What is her age now? So see, let the Zeba's actual age, or mean the present age or the actual age. So let her actual age be equals x. Now when Zeba is 5 years younger by 5 years means you have to minus 5. So if Zeba were younger by 5 years so this will be x minus 5. Now what's the given condition? Then the square of her age, if x minus 5, given condition, then the square of her age would have been 11 more than 5 times her actual age. So you do square of her age. So her age is x minus 5. So this is square. So square of her age equals 5 times her actual age. That means, what is the actual age? For x, so 5x, 5 times the actual age plus 11. Have been 11 more. So plus 11. So this is our condition. And now we have to solve this equation. So opening the bracket first, this will be x square minus 10x plus 25, applying a minus b whole square entity equals 5x plus 11. Now taking all these towards the left hand side, so this will be x square minus 10x minus x minus 5x is minus 15x. 25 minus 11 is 14 plus 14 equals 0. Now we can do this by splitting middle term. So that is simply actually minus 14 and minus 1, because the sum is minus 15 and the product you see is 14 only. So minus 14 minus 1 are the two numbers. So x square minus 14x minus x plus 14 equals 0. So now you can take x common. So this will be x minus 14. Now you can take minus 1 common. So this will be x minus 14. Oh, sorry, what I have written. Sorry for this. Actually, we take minus 1 common. Though I said minus 1 only. So x minus 14. Now you can take x minus 14 common. So that will be x minus 1. X minus 14 common. So that will be x minus 1. So now again we will have two answers. X minus 14 equals 0. So x minus 14 equals 0, that implies x equals 14. So that will be our answer, 14 years. The present age is 14 years. And x minus 1 equals 0, that implies x equals 1. But the problem in this case is that we are taking 5 years younger. So 5 years younger means this will be minus 5 of our age. So we have to, minus 4 of our age. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So we are neglecting this value. See, if we take 1, so when she is younger by 5 years, so our age will go to minus 4. You can see x 1 minus 4. So which is not possible. So we are ignoring the value of 1 and x equal to 14. So hence the Zeba's age now is 14 years. So this is our answer. So writing the final, just a second, it's hanging. Yeah. So writing the final answers. Hence, Zeba's age now, or the present age, you can write anything, is 14 years, or the required age is 14 years. Now question number 6. The next question number 6. At present, Asha's age in year is 2 more than the square of her daughter's Nisha age. When Nisha grows to her mother's present age, Asha's age would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. Find the present ages of both Asha and Nisha. So basically Asha is the mother of Nisha. So what we do, we take the Nisha's present age be x. Okay, let's start with this. Let Nisha's present age be equals x here. So now Asha age will be 2 more than square of her daughter's Nisha's age. That means square of her daughter's age will be x square plus 2. So Asha's age will be x square plus 2. Now, when Nisha grows to her mother's present age, so what's the age gap? See, that will be x square plus 2 minus x. Because when Nisha grows to her mother's age, Asha, so what's the age gap? That is Asha's age minus her daughter's age x. So the age gap is, so the number of years will be x square plus 2 minus x. So this is the number of years that have been gone. So this is the total number of years. Okay. So Nisha will be equals to Asha's age in this much numbers of years. X square plus 2 minus x. So now, according to the given condition, Asha's age. Now what will be the Asha's age? See, she is already x square plus 2. The age of Asha is already x square plus 2. age of Asha is already x square plus 2 plus this number of years. So plus this is x square plus 2 minus x numbers of years, which actually the numbers of years in which Nisha will be equal to Asha's age. So this is equals to, now this is equals to what? Asha's age would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. So what's the present age of Nisha? Is x. So that is 10x. So this will be 10x minus 1. So this is our equation which we have to solve. So now, opening the brackets. Actually the calculation is easy now. This is x square plus 2 plus again x square plus 2 minus x. No multiplication. So this is 10x minus 1. Taking this to left hand side, x square will be 2x square. And minus x minus 10x will be minus 11x. Minus 11x. And then this is 2 plus 2 is 4. And this is plus 1. So plus 5 equals 0. Now we have to solve this just by the middle term splitting. We know that the product of the number should be 10. 2 into 5 is 10 and the sum should be minus 11. So just take minus 10 and minus 1 as a 2 number because the sum is minus 11. Minus production. So minus 10 and minus 1 are the 2 numbers that we are taking. So this will be 2x square minus 10x minus x plus 5 equals 0. Taking 2x common, this will be x minus 5. And then minus 1 common, this will be x minus 5 equals 0. Now you can take x minus 5 common. This will be 2x minus 1. So again we have two answers, x minus 5 equal to 0. That means x equals 5. X minus 5 equal to 0. That means x equals 5. And 2x minus 1 equals 0. So we can take 5 actually, and 2x minus 5, 2x minus 1 equals x equals to 1 by 2. Now see, now what we have to take. So see, if we take x equals to 1 by 2, so that's not possible because what will be the Asha's age? Asha's age, this is actually if you take Nisha's age as half year, so as mother Asha, that will be, what that will be? That will be 2 more than square of her daughter's age. We know that 2 more than square of her daughter's age. So if we do the square of this, so 1 by 2 whole square, you can see 2 more than square of her daughter age. So her daughter age is 1 by 2. You do square of it, which is 1 by 4, and then plus 2. 1 by 2 whole square, which is 1 by 4, and then plus 2. So, you know, her mother's age will be 2 1 by 4 years, which is not possible. So we are ignoring this actually. Ignoring this value, which is not possible. So x equal to 1 by 2, we are ignoring that value. Now taking x equal to 5. Now see, square of it and then plus 2. If Nisha's age is 5, then her mother's age, Asha, that will be 5 square plus 2, which is 25 plus 2. 5 square plus 2. 5 square is 25 plus 2, which is 27. So this is possible. Hence we are taking this value. So x equal to 5. This is our present. This is our answer. So the required age of Nisha is 5 years. Now coming to the next question, question 7. Question 7 is, in the center of a rectangular lawn of dimension 50 meter by 40 meter, a rectangular pond has to be constructed, so that the area of the grass surrounding the pond would be 1184 meters square. See the figure. As you can see the figure, find the length and the breadth of the pond. So you can see the pond is situated at the center of the grassland. So we know that. See, first of all, dimension of this grassland is 50. The length is 50 meter and this is 40 meter. Okay. And you know that the pond is to be situated at the center. So that blue thing, as you can see, this blue thing represents the pond center. So I am taking the distance x from all the sides because this has to be at center. So x from here, x from here. So from every side, it has a distance of x centimeter. Now, sorry, meters, x meter. Now, we have to find the dimensions of the pond. Now, what is the length of the pond? So, means the dimensions of the pond So we see length will be the length of the pond will be 50. You can see this is 2x, x and x. So 50 minus 2x is the length of the pond. Sorry, this is 2x actually, I have written 20. 50 minus 2x, and this will be 40 minus 2x. 40 minus 2x. Let's remove this, sorry, this should be x. 50 minus 2x and 40 minus 2x, which is the dimension of the pond. Now, the area of the grass, the remaining grass is 1184. So, what we can do is that we can find the area of this rectangular lawn minus the area of the pond, that equals 1184 meter square. So, finding the area of the lawn first, which is 50 into 40, area of lawn minus the area of pond. So the area of the grassland, that will be 1184. So area of the lawn is 50 into 40. 50 into 10 to 40 meter. 50 into 40 minus the area of the pond, which we have the dimensions of 50 minus 2x, 40 minus 2x. So 50 minus 2x into 40 minus 2x equals 1184. Now we have to solve this equation and get the answer. So let's start the solution. Now 50 into 40 is basically 2000. Now 50 into 40 is again 2000. 2000. So 50 into minus 2x, this will be minus 100x actually. So 50 into minus 2x is minus 100x, and then minus 2x into 40 is minus 80x, and then minus 2x is plus 4x square. 4x square, that equals 1184. Now opening the bracket, this will be 2000. 2000 minus 2000. So see, minus 100x minus 80x will be minus 180x. So when we open the bracket, that will become, this is minus 180x. So on the out there is minus. So this will be plus 180x and minus 4x square. Because outside the bracket is a minus sign, which is equal to 1184. Now 2000 got cancelled. They will get cancelled, yeah. So this will be minus 4x square. Or what we can do is that we can take these to the right hand side. This will be 4x square minus 180x, because we are taking to the right hand side, and this is plus 1184. I think we can take 4 common. Yeah, we can take 4 common. So taking 4 common, this will be x square minus 180 divided by 4 is 45x. x plus this will be 1184 divided by 4 is 296 equals 0. So we can take 4 to that side, that will be 0. So equation will be x square minus 45x plus 296 equals 0. So you can do by middle term splitting as well as by quadratic formula. You can use any of them. So I'm using quadratic formula, comparing it with the x square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have a equals 1, b is minus 45, and c is 296. So finding the discriminant first. The discriminant is b square minus 4ac. D equals b square minus 4ac, that is minus 45 whole square, minus 4, a is 1, and c is 296. Now taking the 45 square, we know that 45 square, you can calculate it. This is 2025 minus 4 into 296. That is actually 1184 So 2025 minus 1184 minus it. So by doing the calculation, this is 841. So which is greater than 0, hence this has two real roots and equal roots. So now using the quadratic formula only, so x is minus b plus minus and root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is x is minus b plus minus, actually this is root d b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substituting the values, we have b as minus 45, so this will be plus 45 plus minus under root of 841, under root of 841 by 2. This is 1 only, so that will remain 2 only. That will remain 1, that means 2. So now we have to find 841. See, 841 we can find the square root by the long division method, taking the pairing. So this goes 2 times 2, which is 4. So minusing that is 4, take down the 41. Now you can write the 2 double of 2, which is 4. Now see, this is 49 times 9. So if you do 49 times 9, that equals 49 times 9, that equals 441. So hence the square root is 29. This is how the division thing work. So you write plus 45 plus minus 29 by 2. So now finding the roots. Now see, first of all 45 minus 29 by 2. So 45 minus 29 is 16. 16 by 2, that equals 8. 8. So, and again 45 plus 29 by 2. So, this will be 37. So, we have two roots, 8 and 37. Now, actually, we have to check these. Now, when we put 8, now when we take x equals 8, okay, when we take x equals to 8, what will the dimensions of the pond? You see, dimension of the pond is 50 minus 2 into 8, which is 16. 50 minus 16, we can do that. 50 minus 16, 2 into 8 is 16. So that is 34. Similarly, 40 minus 2 into 8 is 16, which is 40 minus 16 is 24. So writing here 24. So dimensions of pond is 34 meter and 24 meter. So that is possible. So hence x equal to 8 is the acceptable value. Now see, when we take 37, now the problem is that what will be the dimension of the pond? See, the dimension of the pond will be 50 minus 2x. That means 50 minus 2 into 37. So that will give us the answer in negative, which is minus 24 meter, which is not possible. Similarly, breadth will be 40 breadth will be 40 minus 2 into 37. That will give us minus 34 meter. So see, our answers are getting in negative. So you have to neglect this value. So 37 is not 37. We are ignoring 37. We are ignoring 37. So x equals to 8. So 8 will be the present value. So hence the dimension of the pond will be the length of the pond will be 34 meter and the breadth will be 24 meter. So that's the answer. Now coming on to our last question, question number 8. Now at t minute past 2 p.m. the time needed by the minute hand of a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. Find t. See, first of all, the theory is that between time 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. there are 1 hour, that is 1 hour which is 60 minutes. So basically, see, between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. so there are 60 minutes actually. The total time is 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now it's saying at t minutes past 2 p.m. that means t minutes have already been passed. So from 2 p.m. t minutes have already been passed. So we write t plus t plus. Now see, it was found that to take 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. So we write t square by 4 minus 3. Sorry, we have to write minus 3 because we have to take 3 minutes less. So 3 square by 4 minus 3, that equals to, the total time is what? 60 minutes. So equate this to 60. Yeah. Now again we can understand that, see, between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. it is 1 hour or 60 minutes. So they are saying 2 minutes past 2 p.m. That means 3 minutes have already passed. And for the next time, it's taking t square by 4 minus 3 minutes. That means 3 minutes less. So sum of these two should be equals to 60. Now we have to solve this equation. So t plus, this is t square by 4. This is minus 3 actually. Yeah, so writing minus 3 only, equals 60. Now multiplying throughout by 4. Multiplying throughout this by 4. So this will be 4t plus t square. And this is plus t square because 4 and 4 would cancel. 3 minus 3 into 4 is minus 12 equals 60. This equals 60. 60 into 4 is 240. So t square plus 4t. Now minus 12 minus 240. So minus 252 equals 0. So we can solve it by the middle term splitting or by using the quadratic equation. So we are solving it by the quadratic equation. So comparing it with the initial equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Bx plus c equals 0. So we get a as 1, b is 4 and c as minus 252. Minus 252, and now we are finding the discriminant. So the discriminant d will be b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So b square is 16 minus 4 into a, which is minus 252. Now see, minus minus will become plus, so this will be 16. Now 252 times 4. So if you do 252 times 4, that will be 1008. So adding all this, 16 plus 1008 is 1024. So this is 1024. Now applying the formula. So this is the quadratic equation. So we take x equal to, I am taking x, though I should have taken t, but that's fine. Minus b plus minus root d by 2a. So minus b is what? Minus b is actually will be minus 4. This will be minus 4 plus minus root d, which is 1024. So we can find the under root of 1024. So first of all, writing 2, a is actually 1, this is 2. Now using the division method to find the square root of this. Now first of all, taking the pair 24 and 10. 10 goes 3 3s are 9. So remainder is 1. This is 1, taking down 24. Now we do 3 double of 3, which is 6. 6. Now 62 times 2 is actually 124. So what we do is that we write like this, 62 and 2 over here. This is 124 times 2. This is 124. So remainder is 0. Hence 32 is the answer. So under root of 1024 is 32. So we write minus 4. So we write minus 4 plus minus 32 by 2. So our two answers will be, this will be minus 4 minus 32 by 2, which is minus 36 by minus 18. Sorry, by 2, which is minus 18. So minus 18 is not possible because we are not considering the negative time. Now minus 4 plus 32 by 2, which is 28 by 2, that is 14 minutes. So 14 minutes. So we are not taking this. Actually time, they cannot be negative. Time cannot be negative. And 14, this should be the present time. So 14 minutes actually. So hence the required value of time is 14 minutes.